A very good morning, class 7 students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today I'm going to teach you physical science subject, and today's chapter will be 6 waste, matter and pollution. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the chapter known as waste, matter and pollution. Okay, so I have written some of the points which you have to know very carefully. On the blackboard I have written. So number 1 is environment, number 2 is waste, matter, number 3 is classification. So in the classification there are many types of classification are there, but I have only mentioned 2, that is a household waste and a hospital waste. Okay, so please take out the page number 98. Okay, please take it out the page number 98, and the chapter is 6 waste, matter and pollution. Okay, so let's start our class today, all of you. Introduction. Our environment is made of living things, non-living things, and also the energy surrounding us. So this environment, whatever we see around us, okay, whatever we see around us is known as environment. And the environment consists of living things, non-living things, and others energy which is consumed by the living things also. Did you get it? So environment is the definition of environment is that it consists of living things also, it consists of non-living things also, and along with the energy which is present inside the environment. Did you get it? So another thing is that this environment, there are internal conversion among these 3 constitute of environment. Living things survive from non-living things. Some simple constitute becomes complex in the living body. Natural beings brings back all the complex matter against to form a simple matter by decay and death. Now, directly, indirectly, all we living things, okay, all we living things, what we do, we depend upon the non-living things, okay, like small things we need, like table, chair, yes or no. Where it comes from? It comes from the tree side, yes or no. So like example, when we need if we want to live, we need to breathe air, yes or no. Where does the air comes from? Where does the oxygen comes from? It comes from the forest side, or it comes from the tree side and all, yes or no. So we people are dependent upon the environment directly or indirectly. It may be living thing, it may be non-living thing, it may be all natural energy which is being consumed in the environment. Okay, did you get it? So another thing is that in the earlier days, the pollution was very small. The population was very small, the need of the people were limited, and they were abusing natural resources, due to which the production of waste was minimum, and further there was a biodegradable. That means in the earlier days, if you remember properly, if you keep in mind, in the earlier days, the population was very in the less amount. The population was in the very least amount. Moreover, what happened is that when there was a population was there in the less amount, the desirable, the demand was in the small amount, okay. But now if you see in the 21st century, if you see over here, the population has grown so out of limit that all human wants each and everything which is comfortable for them. For that reason, we cut the trees, we clear the forest, we directly, indirectly depends upon the non-living thing, we directly depends upon the forest. So directly, indirectly, the population also has hampered the pollutions in the environment. Did you get it? So another thing is that in the modern days, more energy and other materials are being produced to meet up the rising demands of the various things by increasing population, which after use are thrown away. That means in this modern generation, in this 21st century, all the people's demands are very high. That means day by day, the demands are their demands are increasing. That means they are not satisfied with the small. They are not satisfied what they have. They want more and more and more and more. For this reason, directly, indirectly, the forests are being hampered, the environment are also being hampered. Moreover, the pollutions are increasing day by day because due to the population in the world. Did you get it? So over here, I want to say is that the object that man wants to throw away and after use are known as waste matter. So what do you mean by waste matter? Waste matter means what? Waste matter भनेको चाहिँ के हो? Waste matter is that the things which are being consumed, the things which are being consumed by the human beings, and after using we throw that thing, that is a waste matter. That is a waste matter. Okay, understand? Now another thing is that the release of large amount of waste matter into the environment cause lot of problems. Excessive waste matters pollute the air, water and soil. Yes, we people, what we do is that we buy the things what we need. We want to, we like sweets, yes or no? We eat Pepsi, Coca-Cola, whatever we drink, yes or no? But after using that, after drinking, after having all that, we throw that waste product on the road, on the roadside, in the riverside, in wherever the human beings wants it, they can throw. So directly, indirectly, they are polluting the environment also, but plus they are polluting the air, okay, the air, water and soil also. And most important thing is that, students, I want to remind you is that plastic is the most dangerous things which is very harmful for the environment. Because if you, I give you an example is that तिमीले घरको वरिपरि मिन्स घरको छेउछेउमा एउटा गड्डा खोला बुझ्यौ नि, एउटा गड्डा मजाले खोलेर चाहिँ त्यो प्लास्टिकलाई त्यहाँ हाल, त्यो उइसमा त्यो जमिन भित्र हाल, अन्त मजाले छोप, अन्त त्यसलाई एउटा मतलब अब चिन्नको लागि एउटा के ढुङ्गा एउटा केही राखा कि एक साथ पछाडि हेर त्यही जग्गा गएर त्यो प्लास्टिक जस्तोको त्यस्तै हुन्छ. That means it is not consumed by the environment. So when you burn the plastic also, there are so much of black smoke comes from that fire. Yes or no? That black smoke is not good for our health as well as not for the environment, because that black smoke is a very dangerous, for a very poisonous gas. Okay, that is all. Many gas are present, but maximum carbon dioxide is present, which is very harmful for the human beings. Okay, which is very harmful for the human beings. Okay, we cannot survive over there. Okay, so this was about the introduction of the environment, how the environment is being polluted by the human beings directly, indirectly. Did you get it? So in the next topic we are going to study about the waste matter definition. Okay, so any solid, liquid or the gas material which is no longer need or throw away by the manufacturer, owner or consumer is called the waste matter. That means waste matter, if I say in a simple word, is that we people, whatever we buy, after consuming that things, that plastic, that particular thing is been wrapped in the plastic, that particular thing is wrapped in something like plastic and all, yes or no? But after using that, after consuming that thing, we throw that plastic, we throw that water bottle here and there. That waste product is known as the waste matter. That waste product is known as the waste product is known as a waste matter. Okay, now we are going to do the classification. Okay, there are many kind of classifications, so I'm going to teach you by step. So let's go. Classification. On the basis of the waste product at different place, the waste product may be classified as waste from the household, waste from the marketplace, waste from the agriculture, waste from the hospital, waste from industry, etc. Now there are so many things which are being the waste product comes from many ways. Okay, like from household, from hospital, from industry, from marketplace. But did you notice that one thing is common? That is human being. In all this place, human beings are being included. That means human beings are directly polluting the environment, which is very not good for our health, also not good for the environment also. Did you get it? So today we are going to study about the first topic is household waste. Okay, so today we are going to study about the household waste. Okay, so let's go. A vast amount of waste matter are produced at home daily. We can buy something, we get them in plastic, paper bags, polythene bags are wrapped in the papers. We also get different kinds of glass bottle, plastic bottles, cardboard, wooden box, etc. After these things comes at home, they are useless and we throw them out, of which has become waste matter. Residue of unused portion of the vegetable and fruits, fish, meat and residual of own food are thrown away. This is how the waste are generated at the house. Now see, how does the household waste is being done is that we human being, what we do is that we buy some things from the marketplace. Yes, so whatever we need, we buy some of the things from the marketplace, but that things is been wrapped in the plastic, that things is inside the bottle and all. But when we bring that thing inside our house, one, it is been used, we throw that plastic, we throw that bottle unnecessary here and there. Yes or no? And we throw the waste product of the waste product of the vegetables cover. Yes or no? Seeds, fish, this one, everything, whatever food we eat, we are eating the food, but the leftover food we throw here and there, that includes the waste product. And it directly, indirectly affect the environment. Okay, so this was how the household waste are being directly polluting the environment. So waste product in the marketplace. Okay, in the marketplace, paper, plastic, food stuff, glass piece, residues of fish, meat, vegetables, which is from garbage and trashes, cartons, etc. are heaped up. Every day, rotten eggs and rotten fruits refuse in the sugar cane after extracting of juice, straw, coconut cases, etc. are being formed in a huge amount. That means in the marketplace, whenever we see the things are being wrapped in the plastic and all, the things are kept in the bottle and all. Yes or no? That things are once they are being used, they are being thrown away by the human beings in the environment, and that pollute the environment directly, indirectly. Okay. So agriculture waste. In this agriculture area, cultivation crops are collected and the residues are left over the root and stem of different crops. Paddy, hunks, grass, sugarcane waste, cow dung, expensive pesticides, etc. These are the waste product produced in the agriculture field. Agriculture field means when we grow the crops, we all human beings want our crops to grow in the better way, in the better manner. Yes or no? So we use high quality of pesticides, we use high cow dung, we use many things which would make the crops grow in the better way. So that also impact the soil, because it affect the fertile of the soil directly, indirectly, and it is how the environment is being affected. Okay, now let's go to the hospital waste. Okay, the hospital waste is the main wastage which is very polluting to the environment. Some hospital waste, some waste matter are also formed in the hospital. They waste like disposal of syringe, blood stained cottons and bandage, blood of sanitary bottles, etc., which are being environment pollution. Now see, in the hospital, the people use many kind of things. Yes, so like injection, like blood bottle and all, like bandage and all, whatever is there. Yes or no? So they throw all the waste product in the environment, and that is being taken by the dogs. They are taken by not consumed by the environment or not. So directly, indirectly, it affects the environment. Okay, so the hospital waste is also very dangerous for the environment. So today I have taught you about this one. So hope you understand this one, class 7 students. This is a new chapter which I have begun. So if you don't understand, you can leave your message in your group. Okay, thank you so much.